What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and as y'all can tell by the title, I got another car. So as y'all know, I've been driving Big Blue over there for the past, I think it's been 2 years, 3 years, to my base, and it's an hour there and an hour back, so 2 hours every day. And as y'all know, gas is not cheap. $160 this week is what I spent on gas. So I was in the market. It was time to get me another kind of car. So let me show y'all what I got. What we have right here is a 2001 Honda Accord EX 4-door, and it's got 175,000 miles on it. 5-speed manual. Interior super clean, as you can see. Nothing's missing. Sunroof. It's got a updated radio. It's a pretty simple car. Got a few scratches, dings, and dents around the edges, but for what it's going to be used for, it's all right. So it is official. Big Blue is retired from daily work. Now that'll be officially my work truck, and that's it. I'm gonna drive it to make sure the fluids keep flowing through the motor and stuff, so it doesn't sit and go bad. But other than that, that's the new daily. So I've had it for about 2 days now, and I've spent, I think I put 30 in gas today, and that was it. But we're gonna see how the gas is. I got work tomorrow, so we'll see how the driving and back goes for that, but this is it. So comment down below, tell me what y'all think about the new daily. Future plans with this is to actually get it souped up eventually. But right now, until I can secure a better daily or something like that, I ain't touching this thing. I'm gonna do the daily maintenance on it, or the monthly maintenance or whatever, and keep it running right, because it's pretty much stock, hasn't been touched. Whoever had it before, I looked up the Carfax, no accidents, no flooding, it's been maintenance. Yeah, it was a deal I couldn't pass up, and I needed a daily. So I think the only thing I need to change on here is the O2 sensor, and I already ordered that. That's coming in. I wanted to get a radio, but I'm just gonna leave the radio in there and not worry about it. So comment down below, tell me what y'all think about the new daily, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.